How to get 1K YouTube subscribers in just one day. For now, I have 1,085 subscribers in my YouTube channel. So we can start now. Go to Play Store and search You Channel. Download the app and open. As you can see in the lower part, they have view, subscribe, like. You can choose what you want to use in that page. Example, this one. In this app, you only need to do is to watch the videos and you can earn points. The points is equivalent to the views of your YouTube videos. For more points, you need to finish watching this video. When it's done, click the thumbs up or like button and return app. As you can see, you can earn 250 coins. Click the campaign and plus button. You can see in this page there have a subscribers, like and views for your channel, views for your videos, like for your video. So we can choose subscribes, likes and views for your channel. Enter the link of your YouTube video that you want to have more views. Then add. In this page, you can choose how many people you want to view your video. Example, this one. I choose 10. Select. And you need 2,600 coins. And as you can see, I have 3,556 coins. So I have enough coins to create a campaign. So the campaign is creating now. All you need to do is to wait. So let's check the YouTube studio. So the campaign is having 3 views now. Now I have 1,086 subscribers. And then 1,087. 1,088. So as I told you guys, this app is legit. So download You Channel app and watch the videos and you can get 1K subscribers in just one day. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to click the subscribe button.